What does 1.775 million buy you in Manhattan Beach? Well, today I am going to take you on a tour and show you just that. So today I'm taking you on a tour of a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1280 square foot single family home on a 4,800 square foot lot in the Manhattan Heights section of East Manhattan Beach. And if you're not familiar with East Manhattan Beach, I'm going to put a link above of the whole East Manhattan Beach tour so you can get the whole scoop on this neighborhood. So this home is located on the corner of Manhattan Beach Boulevard and Magnolia. So I would say a huge downfall. It is 5 o'clock traffic right now, so this is probably as loud as it's going to get. But even with the double paned windows, you can hear the traffic outside because Manhattan Beach Boulevard is a busier street. And the driveway actually goes out to Manhattan Beach Boulevard, so you're gonna have to deal with that traffic going in and out every day unless you were to park on the street. But it is a absolutely cute home, and $1.775 million is a lot of money, but in Manhattan Beach, where last month the median sales price was $2.8 million, it is on the lower end for Manhattan Beach, and that is taken into consideration because it's on a busier street. So the first thing that I noticed when I came in here is these lovely European white oak herringbone floors. It gives the space a very unique look. And they bought this home back in September for just under 1.5 million, and they turned it around and flipped it. It is on the smaller side, but the space is done pretty well. You do have this galley kitchen with your washer and dryer right here. You also have a sub-zero fridge and the Wolf range, so they put in the new countertops, new cabinetry, new flooring. You have the recessed lighting as well, paint, baseboards, tile as well. So it is kind of like a brand new home. And this is the first of the bedrooms. There's no ensuite bathroom with any of the bedrooms because it's one bathroom for the entire home. And this could be used as your primary, or there's another bedroom. I think this one might be slightly bigger. They did build out the closets in here, which is nice. And I think the big reason why a lot of people want to be in Manhattan Beach, well, the location is great. So this location, you're just a little over a mile from the Manhattan Beach Pier. Manhattan Village is right around the corner. So you have all the shops, all of the restaurants, you're close to the beach, and you don't have that price tag that you have in West Manhattan Beach. And then also the schools. So Manhattan Beach Unified School District is like continually ranked as top 20 school districts in Los Angeles. So a lot of people want to be here for the school. So you can get into the school district at an affordable price. And everybody always comes after me when I say affordable. An entry-level home is 1.775 million. Trust me, I'm from Ohio. It's a crazy number for me as well. But in the South Bay, 1.775 million, and especially in Manhattan Beach, is an entry-level home. So for this home, children, if you have children, they would go to Meadows Elementary, which is walking distance from here, Manhattan Beach Middle, and Mira Costa High School. And then you have this cute little bathroom here. You have the marble tile. And they also did, it looks like wood, but it's actually tile in the bathtub. It's a very trendy tile that we're seeing in lots of different homes. So it's super cute. And then this is another one of the bedrooms. Again, they built out the closets, but they staged this as an office. Back here, this is your final bedroom. You have the built-out closet. It's a similar size to the first bedroom that I showed you. And this bedroom actually comes out to the backyard. And the backyard has a pool, which is nice. Again, you are at the corner of Manhattan Beach Boulevard. So right now you can hear the traffic. It kind of comes and goes. They did put the ficus trees for privacy. But it's a cute little space back here. I will say one of the downfalls, if you have pets, because I'm a big dog lover, you don't have any grass back here. It's all concrete back here. And right behind this fence over there, that is actually Target is right there. So it could be a good thing or a bad thing. Walking distance to Target can be very dangerous, but it can also be very convenient. And then you have some storage over here on the side, and then you have access to the garage. So you don't have direct access from the garage into the home, but you would enter this way. So that is this cute little house in the Manhattan Heights neighborhood of Manhattan Beach. And if you're interested in this home or any other home, we are happy to help, whether you move in 9 days or 90 days. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom. All of our information is in the description below, and we would love to help you. And we hope to see you back here soon.